Founded in 1950, HATCO is US made and employee owned. HATCO Flav-R-Shields fit every operator, from full service to self-service, even portable. Featuring durable thick tempered glass, radius corners and flat polished edges to create a sleek look, and stainless steel flanges to hide mounting screws for easier cleaning. Johnson Pike and HATCO's Flav-R-Shield Configurator find the ideal sneeze guard for your operation. Contact the Johnson Pike team and tap into HATCO's 70 years of experience.